Hi, this is Clint from Leica Geosystems, and I want to show you today how you can use your combo with your CLX series lasers. And I showed you earlier how you compare it with it, so it's already paired. But I told you about the CLX 550 and the CLX 700 that have a dial-in grade. Well, you can use the dial-in grade with the combo, and I'm going to show you how. So they're already paired, and I want to simply go to the grade mode, so I said OK. And you can see, I see grade on the combo and on the laser, they're the same. And I want to integrate now in X and in Y. And as an example, I want to enter 3% grade on the X, and I'm going to enter 2% on the Y. So I press OK till the first digit is highlighted, it's blinking, and I can go up to increase my grade. And I say OK, so now I have 3% in X, and I want to go down to Y. And I select that, I press OK again, and I can use the up arrow to increase the grade there. If I want to add more to this other digit, I can use the right arrow or the left arrow to take me back. I simply press OK, and it starts making the grade. And that's all there is to it. It's easy to do, and it works up to 300 meters away from the laser. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a good day. If you have any comments, feel free to leave them below.